Hello, my name is Madison. I'm here at the Mass Media Academy, and today I'm here with...
Okay, hi everybody. My name is Diamond Hunter.
Hi, I'm Bobby. I'm with Destination DC and the American Experience Foundation.
Metro, my name is Metro.
My name is Malik Woods. I'm a communications coordinator at American University.
My name is Mr. Chip Dizard.
Chana Brissett Shanegba.
Elliot Ferguson, President and CEO of Destination DC.
Carlin.
I would say my whole family, my grandparents raised me. I'm from DC, I'm from Northeast DC, and they always inspired me to dream big and try to push farther and have ambition in this world. So the first thing for me was to make it out of DC and go to college, and then try to get my degree and come back home and try to do right in like the community and to influence others.
So I actually, when I was in college, I worked at a coffee company, a coffee shop, and I worked my way up from just slinging barista coffee drinks to, applying to work at a catering company as an assistant. And I loved it so much. I love food and I love people that I just worked my way up and just loved catering industry. And then I kind of left and started doing destination event management, which is just an overarching, coordinating events, conferences and all of that. But I came back to catering because I love it so much. So I just enjoy food and people.
When I retire, which is so far from now, I just plan to leave a legacy behind of positivity, of hard work and dedication, and to inspire young people to pursue whatever their dreams are.
I like to train more people, grow my business, and just help more people like you all to get into the industry, do this at a high level, and to learn the business side of it. It's good to learn the technical side, but it's also good to learn the business side of it as well.
I would like to travel around the world and work with, any kind of person, any kind of culture, and everywhere at least. I would like to have my own restaurant. I don't know if it's here or in Spain. I'm from Spain. I don't know if to have it here or in Spain or whatever. Just, well, those two things, yeah.
The advice that I would give to young high school students is to continue to explore all your options. We all tend to think that we know exactly what we want to do, but you live in a day and age where there are a lot of disruptors. There are industries that don't exist now that might exist in 5 years or so. So don't position yourself whereas you're not willing to really expand upon the opportunities that may not even be in front of you right now. Absorb as much as you possibly can, get involved. When you are doing an internship or when you're in a position to maybe learn from others, make sure that you're not a wallflower. Spend time getting to know people, ask questions, and make sure that they know who you are. Because the intern that comes into this organization that positions themselves in a way whereas I remember who they are, they're the ones that I'm going to be willing to go out on a limb and say, you need to talk to this kid because they've been amazing as a part of our team.
There are so many things, but if I were a high school student, I would think about what I can do to gather the most experiences possible. So sometimes I think that's related to learning another language. Sometimes I think that could be making sure you have some great work experience. I think work experience comes through internships in places like Destination DC, but I think great work experience happens anywhere, and I wouldn't want anyone to shy away from really taking a job at a customer service place or a hotel or a grocery store, because I think you learn so many skills about interacting with other people that help you advance a career in the long term. I'd also tell a young person to go outdoors, to exercise and enjoy the natural world, because those are lifelong pursuits that when you are much older, you will still want to do, and so build those habits while you're young, and I think that's really important too, because a lot of life happens outside of your office, and you can bring that to your workplace and your shared experiences with your colleagues.
The biggest piece of advice I give to high school students, especially if they're pursuing any kind of career in hospitality or videography or mass communications, I'd say just to put yourself out there. It's very easy to kind of sit back and watch, but I think engaging with people, doing what you love a lot, whether that's interacting with people or if you're with Mass Media Academy, shooting or taking photos, videos, is probably one of the best ways to learn with first-hand experience and not so much what you can read or look at on the internet about.